Hello and welcome to Dab for Do. Hope everyone is doing good. So today's video is on this hand embroidery of a tree, which I have used for my blouse. You can use it for any of your dresses or any cushion covers or anything you wish to. Let's get started. So the material needed are mentioned in the description in detail. You can refer to it. So this is my simple saree which has the purple and goldish tree booties on it. So I thought I'll make a little heavy blouse with it. So what I did is I've taken the picture of the booty, and you can use this technique for any kind of tracing for any other picture as well. You have to increase the brightness on the screen of your PC and then start tracing with a very light hand. And try to reduce the light in the room so that you have a better reflection of the image, and just with the light hand you can draw the image. You can use a white sheet to do, and later you can trace it on the cloth as I did. So I'll fill this part of the tree with these Zardosi golden tubes. I'm using little zigzag tubes for all the plant portion. So you can cut around 1 centimeter of Zardosi tube with the help of golden color of needle and thread. I will sew this on the trunk portion of the tree. So I'm taking 1 centimeter length of the pipe and just add one besides the other and fill in all the trunk portion as shown in the video. So you can just complete this by adding one upon the other all the Zardosi tubes. So first I will complete the sides and then fill the center portion of the trunk. So you can clearly observe I have the tubes one besides the other so that it will lay. I have not taken lengthy tubes so that it won't stay and in place and move off. So this is how I have completed on both the sides and then filled up the inside. And for the little branches I have added two. Now I have filled all the flower kind of things which will give the leaf effects with the French knots. On each petal I have given around 5 knots, and in the center I have added a gold bead with a sequence chip in the middle portion. So this is how the raw finish is. Now I'll show you how to make the French knot. I've used multiple threads which match my saree in pink, purple and gold, and I have taken around 10 strands. So I'll show you how to make this French knot. So first thread the needle with the help of all the knots, and from the bottom take the needle up. Take all the thread to the top. Now with the help of other hand you have to hold the thread very firmly. Then take the needle, just wrap it once. I have wrapped only once because the number of threads I have used are more. Then just beside the stitch you have to drop the needle inside. So this is how. And don't leave the thread which you are holding with the other hand. You have to hold it firmly, otherwise being silk threads it will be very difficult and they may get tangled. And slowly pull the needle. After pulling the needle slowly, when it comes to the end part, then you will have to release the thread and let the knot set in place. So this is how I've made all the leaf kind of portion with the French knot. And to enhance the work, in between the petal or the flower kind of thing I've added the sequence chip with a bead. So this is a sequence chip, and on top of it I've added a small seed bead. And for the ends the center portion of the middle layer I have used gold bead, and I have used plain Zardozi pipe for the curves. So this is how the finish work is. This I have added as a patch, and I have made 2 small trees for the hands as well. So I hope you have enjoyed this today's video. So this is how you can recreate any booty from any saree or anything. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel.